Welcome back to the Common Sense Dad. So today I'm going to show you how we got to the decision to pick the paint colors for this office slash studio slash study. So the goal we were going for was to do what's called dark academia. Now, dark academia can have many different tones. It's usually darker tones. What we were looking for here was something very specific, something to where we would still have a lot of light, but not make the room look small. And honestly, this room looks even larger with the darker colors. And part of that's because of what we're doing on the floor. We're doing a hardwood floor, and then we're going to be doing gold accents. We're going to be actually doing gold stenciling on the ceiling, on the dark blue ceiling, the midnight blue. So what we wanted to do is get an overall sky look, a night sky, and then sort of this dark brownish gray, dark brown gray, I guess is what you would call it. It's actually a color called Intellectual from Behr paint. And the ceiling is actually called very navy from Behr paint as well. But the reason we wanted to go with these darker colors is we're going to have some wood and gold pieces that are going to offset and accent to really make the whole thing pop. And again, this area up here is going to be my office, my YouTube studio, my music studio, and a library of sorts. So let's go through how we went and did the color choice. Okay, so what we were trying to accomplish here is we definitely are going to do the wood floors in this stain. This is called English chestnut, and I'm going to probably do it in a matte stain. So what we were trying to do to achieve that dark academia look was to sort of have the ceiling represent sort of a night sky, and the walls represent, more of a comfortable and warm tone, make us feel very much at home. So between these three colors, these will be the primaries. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do some gold accenting, like on the doorknobs. There'll be the brushed gold. And then we're going to do some gold stenciling on the ceiling. So I think altogether, these three really make a beautiful combination, will allow us to keep more of that dark academia look.
On this episode of The Common Sense Dad, watch us put in the hardwood floors. We're doing 2 1/4 plank, solid red oak, and we're gonna stain it a dark chestnut, or what's called an English chestnut color. All right, thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. And this room is really starting to take shape the way I wanted it to. This has been a long project, but we're getting done out of necessity. We'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.